Hello, welcome to Chapter 12, Lesson 3. Today we're going to be talking about metric units of mass. So mass is the amount of matter an object has. So it's very similar to weight, but it's not weight because weight is affected by gravity and mass is not. So what I mean by weight is affected by gravity. If you stand on a scale here on Earth, you're being pulled towards the center of the earth and the scale measures, how much push are you putting on it, right? Whereas if you're on the moon, it's going to be less gravity, so you're actually going to weigh less on the moon. Mass is how much space you take up, so it's not going to change on the earth or on the moon. So mass is what scientists use as opposed to weight. So a gram is the mass of a penny, is about 1 gram. A kilogram is the mass of about 6 medium apples. So a kilogram you can tell is more. 1,000 grams are equal to 1 kilogram. Which is the more reasonable estimate for the mass of the laptop? 2 grams or 2 kilograms? So 2 grams would have the same mass as about 2 pennies. And that would be a very light laptop. So nope, too light. Kilograms have the same mass of about 12 apples. 12 apples and 1 laptop, yeah, that would be 2 kilograms would be the better estimate. Is it more reasonable to say that a rabbit's mass is 3 grams or 3 kilograms? So again, 3 grams would be way too small. A rabbit would probably be closer to 3 kilograms in mass. Circle the more reasonable estimate for each mass. So a hat, very light. About 25 grams would be my guess. Definitely not kilograms. Now a bear, 450 kilograms sounds about right. Circle the more reasonable estimate. So school buses are very heavy, so we're going to use the heavier mass, which would be kilograms. A golf ball, 5 grams would probably be more like it. They're very light. Dogs are heavier, kilograms. This looks like maybe a granola bar. Sure, I'd go 3 grams. Granola bars are pretty light. Complete the table by writing a reasonable unit of mass, grams or kilograms, for each object. A grape would be gram. Pumpkin, kilogram. They're kind of heavy. Apple, 150 grams. Yep. So we know 6 apples equals 1 kilogram, so it wouldn't be 150 kilograms for 1 apple. Cantaloupe, I could see that would be a kilogram. A potato, definitely a kilogram. I don't think a potato and a penny weigh the same amount. So there we go. The mass of a pen cap is 1 unit. What metric unit, gram, or kilogram is used to measure the mass of the pen cap? I would say gram, because grams are light and pen caps don't take up much space. Explain to a friend. Whenever you see an explain to a friend, explain it to your mom or dad or your brother or sister. Julio is buying a carton of blueberries that has a mass of 100 grams. Is it reasonable to say that there are 250 blueberries in the carton? Do we think that 1 blueberry takes up less space than a penny? I would say no. I would guess 1 blueberry is equivalent to 1 gram. So I would guess, let's do a period so we're not having a run-on sentence. So I would guess there would be about 100 blueberries in the container. BLUEBERRIES in the container. Boop. Okie dokie. There we have it. Match each vocabulary term to its definition or example. A kilogram, the amount of matter an object has is its mass. Metric unit of mass equal to about 1 penny, that's a gram. 1,000 grams is a kilogram. Which is the more reasonable estimate for the mass of a toothbrush? I would say 20 grams because they're pretty light. 2 would be way too light, and I think 200 and 2,000 would be way too big. All right, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching to the very end, and I hope you have a fabulous day. You rock, you're awesome. Keep up the hard work. We'll see you later.